In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Safe Search on Google Chrome. Whether you found that Safe Search is too restrictive or you simply need to access unfiltered content for a specific purpose, adjusting this setting can make a significant difference in your browsing experience. Let's dive into the steps to customize your Google Chrome setup. First, we'll begin by launching Google Chrome, your gateway to the internet. Once you have Google Chrome open, navigate directly to google.com. This is the homepage of the search giant, and it hosts the settings we need to adjust. Setting safe search adjustments from Google itself allows you to ensure that your search results appear just the way you prefer them. After arriving on google.com, take a moment to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll notice a slew of quick links in the footer. Among these links, there is one labeled Settings. Clicking on this will present you with options to tailor your Google experience. The next task is to hone in on the search settings from the menu that appears when you click on Settings. This section is where Google consolidates all things related to how your searches are managed and displayed. A little attention to detail here can substantially improve the accuracy and openness of your search results. Moving forward, you'll see a section dedicated to content. This is where you will find the Safe Search feature listed. Safe Search is designed to filter out explicit results, which can be helpful but also potentially limiting depending on your browsing needs. If you're seeking to broaden your access to a wider array of content, this is the turning point. To actually make the switch, locate the option to turn Safe Search filtering off. This simple toggle can make your search experience more comprehensive and unrestricted. Once you've decided to disable the Safe Search, it's essential to confirm your choice. Head to the bottom of the page, where you'll find the Save button. Clicking Save secures any changes you have made, ensuring that your future searches reflect the new settings. And there you have it. By following these clear steps, you have successfully turned off Safe Search in Google Chrome. This can be particularly useful if you're researching topics that require more in-depth resources or if you're simply looking to view more diverse content. Remember, these adjustments are entirely reversible, so feel free to experiment with them as your needs dictate. We hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your browsing experience. Stay informed and enjoy exploring the web with newfound freedom. If you have more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.